Hi, my name is Manny Medina. I work for the Miami office with MarineMax, and today I want to introduce you to a 190 SPX with the outboard engine. We basically have this particular model. It's very nicely equipped. It has a beautiful color hull. It does come with the trailer. The trailer is galvanized. It has a swing tongue, and it has disc brakes. Also notice that it has fiberglass fenders, and the idea is they don't corrode, and it has aluminum wheels. Makes very nice package. And remember, it has disc brakes. That makes the towing very safe and efficient. One of the nicest features about Sea Rays is how comfortable they are for the family. Number one, notice how large are the platforms in comparison to other boats. Another thing you will notice, and you can see it on the internet, this platform is very high above the water. The water line on this boat is just about here, so the platform is dry. That means you can have 4 or 5 people standing in the back of the boat or sitting, and the platform will not be underwater. This particular model also has the 150 horsepower. That's the largest engine available on the boat. A lot of power for skiing. Notice that it comes with a ski tow bar also. Everything is very clean, very efficient, no wires, nothing hanging out. And this is a transducer. That means the boat has a GPS that is also a fish finder at the same time. One nice thing about this particular model also, to get on board the boat, it does have a 4-step swing ladder that goes very low in the water, and it makes the getting up on the boat very easy, especially if you are older. And notice that it's flush mounted, so you don't hurt yourself when you walk on top of it. It has a stainless steel pull bar, and it has a 12-volt outlet in case you want to use a 12-volt inflatable, so you can inflate the toys to go in the water. This one also has the sand deck. That makes it very safe. You don't sleep on the water. It's all the way to the entrance. The boat is also very high above the water. And the beauty is it's a dry ride. And when you are inside, there is more cubic footage. By you having more cubic footage, the boat is more efficient. The seats are bigger, a lot more space between the people. And notice that it's so high that from the platform to get inside the boat, you have an entryway. And it even has storage underneath. In other boats, you may have to step over the vinyls and damage the seats, and whatever toy you have on your hand, you might have to rest it on the vinyl. That might damage the seat. Let me show you the inside. Let me see who called me. One moment, please. Okay. So you follow me? Doing so far so good? This is 1, 3, 2, 1, you tell me.
You're good.
Okay, this is the entrance that I was telling you about. Notice that it's padded for safety. There is a lot of storage in here. It's all rubber padded, and there is room for a cooler that actually comes with the boat. Also, your main battery switch is there. All the hardware is stainless steel, and one of the nicest features on Sea Ray, all the hatches, they got one-piece hinge. So instead of having 2 hinges, that is less expensive to build. By having one hinge, the hatch is more steady, so it will vibrate less, and it will not make noises, which is nice on a boat. Also notice the bimini top. It's a self-standing bimini top, and it's about 7 feet long, close to 8. The beauty is that if you want it suntan, you can fold it away, keep it out of the way. You are not stepping on top of it, and it's extremely quiet. The whole bimini top, when you're doing 30 miles an hour cruising, that's the noise that it will make. As I was telling you, the seats are very high, they are very cushiony, and right here there is a very nice feature. It's very hot today. Notice the amount of storage in here. This storage is so big that an inboard engine would fit in here, a V6. And notice how Sea Ray finishes everything in plastic, And there is another storage here that also has room for the cooler in case you want to have two of them. This is self-standing, 3/4 of an inch plastic in the base of the seats, no warping. This boat has a cooler under the forward-facing seat. It has a drainage, more storage. It's all padded. And then notice that it has a double seat that will actually make into a one-facing forward seat very easily. Now you have a one seat facing forward, handles stainless steel, drink holders stainless steel. On this boat, the drink holders and the trimming under the seat is all lighted. It has LED lighting. The glove box is very deep, a lot of room for purses. Notice the padding everywhere. There is no exposed fiberglass. Very comfortable, very soft. Pilot chair with a fold-up seat, so you can stand, lean on it, actually sit, and then your head will be above the windshield, so you get all the fresh air. Very clean, as you can see. And as I was telling you, it has the 9-inch screen that will give you a GPS, engine information, and a fish finder. Steering wheel is adjustable. Very wide entryway. This particular model has packages, very, very nicely equipped. Notice that there is a forward cushion, so you can make that seat into a whole bed, a lot of padding everywhere. It also has the upgraded stereo system that comes with a subwoofer, so you have very nice music on board. And there is an anchor locker. Which is important in a small boat. Now you don't have to keep the anchor under one of the seats and damage seats and things like that. As a dedicated space. Well, come and see us. We are on the water. We have a full service department. We got mobile units. We do full in the water training. Our technicians are certified. We do trips, we do getaways, we do classes, we do seminars. We teach you how to drive the boat. We take you out boating 4 or 5 times a year. And whatever you need, if you buy a boat from us, we will continue the training. My name is Manny Medina. My cell number is 305-775-1310. Please call me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.